Hello Taurus, Merry Christmas. I hope this year brings a lot of health, wealth and joy for you and your family. So here in this reading, we will be discussing what your partner feels about you right now. And later after the reading, we will be taking out a few message cards for you. So let's start and see what your partner feels like right now about you. Messages for Taurus. What are the feelings of your partners right now for you? Okay, we have two cards here, Alchemist and the Burning Tower. The Magician. Knight of Swords, Six of Stars, excuse me, the Emperor, Nine of Swords, and Four of Moon. Okay, with the card of the Magician, your partner feels like that you're not opening up to them. They feel like that you should express more of your love and more of your feelings to them. They feel thirsty for your love, Taurus, and literally they are not speaking up because they think that if they ask for love and then they get it, it's worth nothing. So probably this person wants you to show more love to them, and because with the card of the Burning Tower, you might feel that this person is demanding for more. Okay, because with the card of the Burning Tower, you might be dealing with a fire sign, Taurus, and you may be feeling that this person is going too fast, or this person is asking for more, or you might not be thinking anything. You are going in your own way because you are an earth sign. You are one of the most loyal sign. So you take your time, you are behaving as a Taurus and you think there is nothing unusual about it. Whatever you are telling them, you are telling it from your heart, but this person wants to listen more. This person is thirsty to get a response from you, and even if you are responding to them, they are craving for more, Taurus. Okay, this is their current feeling. Because with the card of the Alchemist, this person seems to be a kind of adventurous person. This person wants to have an exciting ride with you, and actually with the card of the Alchemist, this person seeks new things every day, and you are not that fast. You take your own time, you think about the things, and then you decide whether you want to go ahead or not. But this person is unable to figure you out, because with the card of Knight of Swords, it seems like that this person cannot understand you. You might be in a new relationship, or in a relationship where you're not communicating much with them right now, or you might be at a point where you have disagreed about something and you're not talking to each other much. So with the card of the Knight, even if you are in no contact, with the card of the Knight of Swords, they feel that they don't know the direction, where to go, how to approach you, whether you have feelings for them. They are not sure. They are not sure whether to make a move or not. What will be your reaction? A lot of things are going on in their mind. And with the card of the Magician, They feel like you always hide your feelings, you're not open about your feelings, and that is making things tough for them. However, with the Four of Star, Taurus, it looks like that they want some peace. They want some security. They might be feeling insecure. And here they want you to say something so that they can at least get sure about their relationship with you. Because with the card of the Magician and with the Star, it feels that you need to tell them something. Look, I am by your side in this situation, or I do care about you, even if this is your ex, if they want to come back, or even if this is your current partner. You need to say something to them so that they believe that you are there. You will be for them forever. With the card of the Emperor, they might be asking for guidance, and these people or this person to whom your partner is approaching, this person is a wise one. This person could be their friend. This person could be their family members. This person could be anyone else whom they trust, and they're asking for guidance, and they want to know what to do in this kind of situation. They are not sure about anything, but the only thing they're sure about is that they have feelings for you, and they don't want to go anywhere. They want to wait for you and for your reply. And with the Nine of Swords, it feels like sometimes this becomes too much for them to handle. With Nine of Swords, they just cannot believe that you are there. They just don't feel that they are in the secure, what can I say, in the secure circle or something like that, something to make them feel. And with the Nine of Swords, they feel that they are left alone. They are just looking for your support. They are just looking for your approach, or they are looking for some kind of signal from your side so they can move ahead, Taurus. With the Four of Moon, they feel like that what matters right now is you. Whatever they wish for is you, and you are their priority at this point. They don't want to leave you, they don't want to go anywhere, but they are asking, they are wishing for more love from you. At least they want some kind of confession from your side that you still love them, so that they can have some peace. But with this Four of Moon, it feels like they are restless. Okay, let's check some messages for you, Taurus, what they want to tell you exactly right now. Messages from your partner, Taurus. You make me laugh constantly. Okay, so whenever they are with you, they feel like they're happy, they are laughing, they enjoy your company. But then again, when you're not there, they're not aware what you're thinking, what's going on in your mind, Taurus. Let's check one more message. You respect my family. Okay, so probably they not only like you as their partner, but you have this charm, you have this nice behavior, you know how to deal with their family and their friends, you fit in well, and they look for a long-term relationship with you. So it doesn't matter if you are giving them what they want right now, but still they are going to stay because it is something that they need. You respect them and their family, and it's not easy to find in everyone. Let's check one more message, what they want to say. One more message for Taurus from their partner. Messages from the partner of Taurus. You love me the way nobody else does. Okay, so they are telling you you love them the way nobody else does. So definitely you are loyal to them, you just take care of them, you respect them, and of course the deep connection that they feel with you, they cannot find it anywhere else. Probably there are people who will pour all the love in 1 second, but the very next second they are gone, or they will cheat. But you are not the kind of person. You take your own time. You might not be speaking all at a time, but whatever you say, whatever you feel, is from your heart, and they realize that after all this long relationship. So here, these are the messages that your partner wants to give to you, and this was the reading about their current feelings. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye.